Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add a code snippet in your ChatGPT. To get started with the process, you first need to log in to ChatGPT using chatgpt.com in your browsers. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot and a virtual assistant developed by OpenAI in 2022. After you've logged in to ChatGPT, you can now see a Message ChatGPT bar in the bottom of your screen. Click on the message bar and you can simply paste your code snippet in your ChatGPT or ask ChatGPT to complete your code. I've now asked ChatGPT to complete a Python function to add A and B. ChatGPT has now completed my code and also gave the result of the code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment on this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for any future updates. Till then, thank you for watching.